Hey, what's happening, Sneaks Heads? How you doing? How you been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give us a big like. We're trying to get the video to 100 likes.
Yes, sir. Too easy. Too easy.
Hey, so
Hey,
in this video, we're doing something a little bit different. So go ahead and start off, my brother.
a little bit different. This is a special day today. Hey, my
Uh-oh,
brother.
what's going on?
Today is a very special day. Hey,
What's going on?
we got shorts out there right now, sneakerheads. That women are sneakerheads too, right? So y'all need to
Yes,
go ahead
sir.
and check out a couple of those shorts we got. Women are sneakerheads too. But listen, my brother, I got a unboxing today.
Uh-oh,
Yes, sir. Yes,
drum
sir.
roll.
Yes, sir. Hey, what we say? Women are sneakerheads too. Hey,
Yes, sir.
I've been married to my wife 22 years.
Oh my God. Hey,
September the
that's a blessing
2nd.
all by itself, my brother.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Hey, my brother, a lot of sneakers. a lot of sneakers I had to buy for me,
Yes,
to
sir.
keep the balance. But yeah, so we be married September the 22nd. It'll be 23 years. Hey, MJ.
Uh-oh.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
y'all need to check out that video we did with them championships. So check out that video. So she bought her first pair of J's.
Wow.
Listen.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah, her first pair. Now listen, we've been married for 22 years. September the 2nd be 23. And these are our first pair of J's. So I felt that it should be unboxed with my fans. Hey, them sneaker heads. Hey, check these out. Check these out.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
first of all, I'll show you what the
What you got,
size
my
is.
brother?
Hey, size 9. You see it. Yes, sir. Size 9. But check these out, my
Yes,
brother.
sir.
My brother. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see him. You see him. Yes, sir. Hey,
Well,
listen.
Jordan 1 UNC toes.
Mm, smell like women are sneakerheads too. Yes, sir. Check that
Yes,
out.
sir.
Hey, her first J's. But here's the kicker, though. Here's the kicker, though. And I truly believe, hey, I know women are sneakerheads too. And this is the best shoe, hey, for a woman, high or low, right? Big Three had a tournament, and Lisa, what's her
Lisa
name?
Leslie.
Lisa, yeah, she had an
Yes,
outfit
sir.
on last Sunday with the low
Mhm.
ones. So
Oh, wow.
I always felt like the best shoe for a woman is those ones, either high or low. But you got to make sure you have the right outfit. Drop us a comment below if you rocking those. But once again, I'll let you get a look at it. Her first J's. Her first J's, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, you know I'm rocking those because I already got the pair myself, so I'm definitely rocking
Hey,
those.
hey, my
Can't be
brother.
hating on
Hey,
UNC Blue.
my brother. You rocking those? Look how I'm rocking
Yes,
them.
sir.
I'm
Yes,
rocking them.
sir. Rocking them all day. All
Yes,
day.
sir. Yeah, yeah. So I just wanted to drop in and do that unboxing because it was her first pair of J's. Hey, drop us a comment down below and let us know if you rocking those, dropping those. And once again, if you like content like this, hey, check out that right there.
Hey, and like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.